y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate you. So today I'm gonna give y'all another quick, fast, easy tutorial on this little booty TikTok dance. And we're gonna get it done quick and easy. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the beginning part, what you wanna do is you're gonna have your hands like this. You're gonna cross over, step out, step together, crossover, clap. That's the first couple of counts. So, step out, crossover, clap. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after you clap here, so you're gonna take your legs apart and go round, round. So that'll be 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's start from the beginning again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Between the round part, there's 2 claps. So you clap when you first start, then you 1, 2, clap right before you end. So clap at the beginning. So let's try together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so after you do this part, you're gonna go to like a squat position. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's end from this part. We'll start from this part. So 1, 2, end. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add that whole part together with music real quick. It's gonna be fast with music, but once you learn it and get it down, it's gonna be easier to catch up to the music. So let's just jump right into it. That's what we just did so far. So let's add on the next couple of counts now. Okay, so honestly, like the most technical part of the dance is already done with. The second part is my favorite part of the dance, honestly. So after you finish right here on your 2 of these, your last 2 of these, we're gonna go across, out, back, like this. So basically, it's a pas de bourrée. So you're gonna go cross, out, pas de bourrée, step. So let's do it again. Cross, out, pas de bourrée, step. So this is after this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, over, pas de bourrée, step. After you step on this leg and you do the pas de bourrée, that's when you're gonna go to your booty work part. It's my favorite part. All you wanna do is like squat on the beat and then roll. So it looks real dramatic. So let's start from this part. Sorry, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll around. Don't forget to, if you want to make it more dramatic. If you don't want to do that much of a dramatic dance, you can just get right into the roll. But if you want like a super one, you can pop, drop, pop, drop, roll around. So let's add the beginning plus that with music now. See, that part is really easy. Like, that's my favorite part because, but for real, now we got a couple counts left and we almost done already. So let's get right to the next couple of counts. Okay, so the next couple of counts are super easy. So after you get from your roll part, you're gonna go 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do it with the roll. So you're gonna pop, roll, hit, and then So after you do the 2 of these, you're gonna go cross your arms and your legs, out, clap. So let's do that all together with the roll. So say, drop, roll, cross, out, clap. Cross, out, clap. So let's try the beginning plus that with music now. Oh yeah, I almost went too far. But that's basically, it's like a couple movements left and then you're done. So after you cross, clap, you're gonna go left, right, left. So let's do it. Cross out, clap, left, right, left. And after you do these, it's left, right, left. It's gonna turn into this, like she's gonna stand up like this so she can go to the next part. So you're gonna go cross out, clap, 1, 2, 3, like this. And the next part is like 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start from the cross part. So cross out, clap, left, right, left, up, I'm just giving you the last part because it's mad easy. After she does the all you're doing is Dougie into the back. So and if you want to change up, you can change up. If you don't want to Dougie, you could do, you know, whatever you want to do is catch the beat, something, whatever. You can spice it up as good as you want to. So now we're gonna do the whole thing with music and keep putting it together so that you can get it. Okay, so this one's just a mark. So you can just watch what I'm doing, or you can do it with it's not full out, just a mark. So this is our second mark before we go full out. Like I said, you can just watch me, you can try full out, but this mark is basically catch the rhythm of music so you can get it as fast or whatever. So yeah, let's just mark it one more time. Okay, now it's full out. Now it's full. We finna kill it. Period. We finna kill it. Are you ready? Cause we finna kill it. Let's get it. Okay, so this is our second full out. Okay, y'all, that's basically it's my tutorial. Make sure you stay hydrated. You're gonna get it. It's gonna take you a couple tries. It took me a good minute to learn it, I'm not gonna lie to you. But you're gonna get it. By the way, I always wear shoes because I feel like if I don't wear shoes, I don't have enough grip on the floor and I feel like I'll be sliding around. So that's why y'all be seeing me with sneakers on in the house all the time. Post a video of it or you doing it. Tag me in it. Of course, you can tag me on TikTok, Instagram, whatever, Snapchat. It's gonna be in the description box below. But yeah, you got this. It's gonna take you a couple times and you're gonna be good. Simple. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.